In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a full coverage, flawless foundation look. So basically, it's not going to be any eyeshadow today. I'm just going to be showing y'all how I get my base, my full coverage base. Okay, so here I'm just going in with my Clinique moisturizer. And I'm just rubbing that all over my face. You want to make sure you moisturize your face. You don't always, a lot of people don't moisturize and they come out with good results, but I have to moisturize because I have a very bad combination skin, and some places on my face get patchy, and so yeah, I have to moisturize to create a barrier in between my skin and the makeup. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. putty primer, and this smooths out my skin so much. I love it. As you can see, I do have a few breakouts and acne scars, and this helps it so much. It creates a little barrier, a little shield, and it kind of smooths everything out so that the foundation can go on flawlessly. Alright, so now on top of that, I'm just going to spray my face with the NYX Bear With Me Prep, Prime, and Refresh Setting Spray. And as you can see, I'm spraying a lot. But just to seal in all that moisture. And I'm just going in now with my NARS Radiant Foundation. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. It's buildable, so that's what I do with it. I build it and I put as much as I think I need. I don't don't put so much that it's cakey. But yeah, just you'll know whenever it's enough. So it's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight, so you can build it without it looking cakey. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going under my eyes, my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my forehead. And you'll see I forgot to do my nose, but I'm gonna go back and do it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a brush. I'm gonna be using no sponge in this video because with the sponge it kind of absorbs a lot of the product, so I really want a full coverage, so I'm gonna go in with brushes to blend everything out with today. Alright, so now that I'm done blending out my concealer, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Walnut, and I'm going to use this to contour. So I'm just placing this on the perimeter of my face. The way I did my hair today kind of gets in the way. I didn't really think that through, but you know, whatever. But yeah, so I'm just going to place this on the perimeter of my face, and then I'm going to go in with my brush and blend it out. And I think it's an E4 contour brush, Morphe. Don't quote me on that, but it will be down below in the description box. so now I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. So for my concealer, I'm going to be setting it with the RCMA No Color Powder. And then for my contour, I'm setting that with the It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics, the contour shade in that palette. Okay, so now I'm just basically going in with that same setting spray and spraying my face and kind of fanning it dry. And when it's almost dry, I'm going in with a large powder brush with some of my MAC mineralized skin finish, and I'm just placing that, I'm just patting that all over my face. So for blush today, we're going to be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. I think the name of this trio is Pool Party. Yeah, I think it's that one. I don't have it right in front of me. But yeah, so that's blush. And then after that, I am going to go in with my Rodeo Drive Highlight by Ofra Cosmetics and place that right on the highest points of my face, my cheeks, my chin, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my forehead. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and that'll complete the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. And I'll see you guys on Friday.